One more way to use the neutral line testing is to look for different variations of something that you're clearing. The most common type of thing would be, for example, food allergies. So if we have a person who is tests as allergic to milk, we can put them on neutral, any neutral line, and okay, we'll go over here, and then add in milk. And it goes off left, which means it's a client's problem, and it goes about 25 degrees or so, which shows the amount of discomfort or disharmony that that substance brings. So to test further, we can ask about cow's whole milk, and it's basically going 360 degrees off balance, showing that's a no-no. We can ask about goat's milk. Now let's go back to cow's milk. We can ask about 2% milk, 2% cow's milk, and bit off balance, not too bad. We could ask about fat-free milk, cow's milk, and again it goes totally off balance, 360 degrees. We could add in goat's milk, no problem. Almond milk, no problem. Rice milk, no problem. And soy milk, there's a problem. And the soy milk is about 45 degrees off balance. So very, very quickly, you can test a lot of different variations of foods, testing as you test for allergies, as well as to see about how much they affect the client. The other thing you can test is levels. The thing with life weaving is we're clearing very specific frequencies. So I can clear diabetes, but then the client might also react to the words high blood sugar, low blood sugar, insulin resistance, sugar problems, any number of those. And to test, you basically put them on a neutral line, start adding in all the different variations you can think of, and see if they stay on neutral, no problem. If they don't, you also want to clear whatever you've just tested. And that, again, is how to use the neutral line for testing for multiple answers and especially food allergies.